Jen, with our workshop, we'll be looking at subjective and objective approaches to meditation. Can you just tell us a little bit more about that?
Sure. Thanks, Tim. So in any moment, we can notice that there is an apparent separation between our subjective experience, the fact that we're aware and present, and the objective experience, that which we are aware of, that the objective experience is always changing. And if we really look, we can notice that that subjective experience, that fact of being aware, is actually always the same. It doesn't change. And it's very easy for us to sort of overlook that sense of being the subject and really sort of get caught in objective experience. And that could be the external world, being aware of the world through our senses, or our internal world, our thoughts and feelings, sensations of the body. And we tend to be almost exclusively focused with our attention on that realm of objects, the changing objective experience of the moment. So much so that we can lose our sense of identity. We can get really caught up in, for example, a stream of thinking or a strong emotion or feelings, sensations in the body. But at all stages, we never actually lose our subjective sense of self, our sense of the one who is aware of whatever it is we're experiencing. And this beautiful approach through meditation is to remember, to recognize, to reveal ourselves to be the one at the center that is aware of the moment, whatever is happening. And there's wonderful freedom and liberation there, I find. We can easily get caught up in or identified with an experience, and we can always remember that that's essentially not who we are. That's a changing aspect of the moment.
Incredibly powerful.